President, I give notice that on the next sitting day I will move 1, that this House notes that A, on the 2nd of September 2025, the Health Services Union, that is the HSU New South Wales, Queensland and ACT branch, announced that the New South Wales Government will deploy a New South Wales Health Transition Assessment and Planning team to prepare for the Northern Beaches Hospital to be returned from a public-private partnership back to full public ownership. 2, that this House further notes that A, the team comprises 15 senior experts from New South Wales Health and the Northern Sydney Local Health District. B, the team will work to ensure that during the transition period there is no disruption to the care provided to patients at the hospital, as high-quality patient care continues to be the number one priority for the hospital. 3, that this House commends A, the HSU New South Wales, Queensland and ACT branch secretary Gerard Hayes, the team at the union and all the delegates and members involved for securing the hospital's return to public hands. B, the New South Wales Health Minister Ryan Park, the New South Wales Government and New South Wales Health for supporting these measures and initiating the deployment of the Transition Assessment and Planning team. And C, the New South Wales Minns Labor Government for making good on its election promise of ending privatisation and, where necessary, restoring public control of key essential services. Mr President, I give notice that on the next sitting day I will move 1, that this House notes A, that on the evening of the 21st of August, I, together with my colleagues, including the Honourable Ed Husic, Federal MP for Chifley, the Minister for Industrial Relations and Workplace Health and Safety, the Honourable Sophie Kotsis, the Minister for Emergency Services, Minister for Customer Service and Digital Government, Minister for Youth Justice Jihad Dib, along with several members of both the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council, including the Honourable Dr Sarah Kane MLC, the Honourable Stephen Lawrence MLC, the Honourable Anthony D'Adam MLC and the Honourable Peter Primrose MLC, along with Unions New South Wales Secretary Mark Morey and hundreds of Union secretaries, officials, delegates and members attended the Unions New South Wales Unions for Peace vigil outside of Town Hall, calling for an urgent ceasefire in Israel and Palestine. B, this was an evening for union members and supporters to come together to mourn the continued loss of innocent lives in the region and to call for peace and an immediate flow of aid into Gaza and the release of all hostages. 2, that this House further recognises A, peace is a matter that affects working people and therefore falls directly under the remit of unions to fight for at a global level, and B, the continued suffering of innocent civilians across the region must end. 3, that this House commends Unions New South Wales and all its affiliates for organising and supporting this very important vigil.